Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of daily wear silver hoop earring designs, showcasing a hand-picked selection of exquisite designs that will effortlessly elevate your style. Whether you are heading to the office, a casual outing, or a special event, silver hoop earrings are the perfect accessory to add that touch of elegance and charm. Join us as we explore a range of versatile designs from classic to contemporary, each crafted to suit different tastes and occasions. We believe that accessorizing is an art form, and with the right pair of silver hoops, you can effortlessly express your unique style every day. So sit back, relax, and let us guide you through this curated collection of must have earrings that are sure to become staples in your jewelry collection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fashion forward content. Also, be sure to comment down below which hoop silver caught your eye. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.